Yeah.
Alright, I'm gonna get into my truck for 3 points of contact.
Yes, sir.
Safety.
Safety first.
Yep. I'm gonna put my seat belts on. Make sure it's securely tied. The faster, gonna faster so it works properly. Alright, I'm about to turn on my truck to build air and the governor. The governor should be building air from 120 to 140 psi. I'm gonna press the RPM between 5 to 15 so it builds up air.
Come on, y'all want some donuts? Come on. Who wants some donuts so I can roast you?
We already had donuts. Before we got to you. We made sure we ate them before we got up
I
there.
know, right? Dustin would have got the whole box from it. Yeah.
For sure, Dan. No more kolaches.
Taiwan, you want some donuts?
I don't think you.
Already. You know,
We
I
already
roast.
ate some.
No, I'm a roaster.
Alright, my governor cut off in 135 psi. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna turn off my keys, I'm gonna turn off my truck, and then turn back on and bring it to AC and see my ABS and my DEF. So the signs are working properly. Next what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna push on my parking brake and my trailer air brake all the way down.
That's the engine brake. What you need the engine brake for?
Well, this one?
Yeah, it's the engine brake.
Yeah, no, I didn't touch it. It just
Oh, okay.
yeah.
Okay,
So
okay.
like,
I got you.
all right. So now, since we're there, we're gonna test our brake leak and make sure it does not lose more than 4 psi in 1 minute. I'm gonna press on my brakes.
1 minute.
All right, it's been 1 minute and I did not lose more than 4 psi in 1 minute. And next what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pump on my brake until I hear the buzzer or the pressure comes 55 psi, no more than 55 psi, no less than 55 psi until I pump. Okay, my the warning sign comes on and it's on 60 psi. I'm gonna keep pumping my brakes until my parking brake and trailer air supply brake comes off, pops out. The air popped out at 25 psi. I should come between 45 to 20 psi, and it got out 25 psi.
You done?
Yeah, and now I'm finished with my test. I've performed the air brake test and I've completed.
That's what I'm talking about. You passed. Rusty as hell, but you passed though.
I know I work. Okay, English is my third language. Okay?
English your third language?
Yeah, so
Man.
I like fix it in my head.
So how many languages you know?
What's your first language?
My first language is Dari. My second language is Pashto. My actually, what? Yeah.
What's the third language? English?
Third language, actually, English is my fourth language. My third language is Farsi.
Farsi.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I heard of Farsi. Yeah.
Yeah. So
Alright.
it's like, I get confused with so many.
So I could drop you off anywhere in this country.
Send me my video.
I can drop you off anywhere. You gonna know how to
Yeah,
communicate
I
with
want
us.
to.
Yeah.
Send me that.
How many languages you got? Yeah. 2, English and Spanish.
Yeah.
I got
Okay.
This is my first. English is my second.
Nigga and English.
Yeah. Already. We all got some different languages now. You know what I'm saying? Already. Good job, Taiwan. Good job.